Hey Divas, Kaden here, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be doing a coffee review. So it's this, I got this Javy Microdose concentrate coffee and I got it to try out, so I'm going to go ahead and try it out for you guys. So I also got these with it. These are some metal straws that I'm going to be using. So I don't know if I should make the coffee cold or hot, but I drink hot coffee, so I'm going to try it out hot. If it doesn't work out, I'm going to try it out cold. So for this, it says to get started, simply take 1 to 2 teaspoons of Microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use my Keurig. I'm going to get some warm water, use this, and use my coffee creamer that I use every day. This is the original. I'm going to use this to make the coffee. So let's go. Also, I want to say thank you to Javy Coffee for reaching out to me and sending me this coffee to try it out. I'm gonna definitely let you guys know what I think about it at the end of the video, so watch and enjoy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and let you guys know what I think. So this is it, my regular cup of coffee like I would normally have in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead, taste it, and tell you if I like it. Now for the moment of truth. So I went ahead and I tasted it. It's not as strong as yes baby, okay, I'm coming. So it's not as strong as my regular coffee, but it's for all my coffee lovers who doesn't like the strong tasting coffee but still likes to have some coffee in the morning. So I'm definitely gonna have it. It's just, some persons would say it's weak. I wouldn't say it's weak. It's just like, it's not that coffee. It's not like overpowered. Even though it's supposed to be coffee, it's not like, I don't know if I put too much milk or if I had too much water or what, but I used 2 like it said, and it definitely smells like coffee, but it doesn't taste as strong as my regular coffee. So I usually use like the McCafe or the Dunkin' coffee. Whichever coffee I get, I will use it, but this is not as strong as my regular coffee, but I'm still gonna drink it. So I don't know if you guys want to try it out for yourself and see if it's your type of coffee. But if you're a person who doesn't like a strong tasting coffee, this is definitely the one for you. So I'm gonna try it as a iced coffee sometime, but not now. So I'm gonna let you guys, you know, go ahead and try it out. So it says keep refrigerated and use and use within 6 weeks after opening. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the refrigerator, and yeah, here you go guys. This is it. This is my little review on the Javy coffee. So don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.